Hey, what's going on? It is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I'm representing Texas Christian University today. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about is the Passive Profits Postcard Program, the 4Ps, or the P4, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, it is doing great. Made a sale this week. My buddy made a sale. My friend made a sale. Our team is doing really well. I want you to be a part of it. So what I wanted to show you today was the website that I had created that will be your bonus if you join my team at the $1,000 level or higher. We will create your website for you. That is your capture page where you get their name and their email address, their sales page. Plus, you're going to get the autoresponder and 10-day email follow-up. So for those of you that don't know what an autoresponder is, that is the platform that's going to send out emails on your behalf to keep those people engaged and bring them back to the offer if they haven't bought yet. It's a way for you to email them as well. So let me share my screen. Let's get right into it. Don't want to keep this video too long. All right. So here is the capture page, and this is the way it reads. Are you ready to do something different with your life? This simple money-making system could change your game. Simply enter your email address and discover how. So you just put their name and their email address here. And so this is what we call the capture page because you're capturing their information in order to send them more emails in the future. So because they're volunteering their information, they have given you the right to email them again because they want to see what's on the other side. See. Oh, let me use a different one. Hang on. Okay, there we go. All right. So here it goes. Passive profits. Now, when I click this is a video that I had made previously. Um, so that's the course owner. That he's a course creator, a good friend of mine, Ontarian Hawkins. So this is a video of him explaining who he is, how he came up with this program, a little bit of past history, what he's been through, and his successes. So that basically gives people a chance to know who the owner is. Okay. So then there's some copy here. Is a proven system. How does it all work? It kind of goes through this whole thing and then some nice bullet points. So if people don't want to read all that, they can just come to the bullet points. When you become a member, you'll never have to call strangers, you'll never have to bug friends or family. And the reason why is because this program, unlike other programs, actually has closers or sales reps. So when you send out postcards or people go to your website and it says call this number and here's the ID, when those people call the number, and either somebody will pick up or they'll leave a message and a representative will call them back, the representative will ask, what is the ID number on the postcard or the flyer that you got? And they'll say the number. Then the representative will know whose sale that is. And then they will tell them about the whole program, get them off the fence, answer any questions they have, and they'll close the deal for you. So that is a really cool thing. No monthly membership fees, community of support, Ontarian is actually coaching. So in this group, Ontarian is doing webinars. He's teaching people different ways to, make money with this, different strategies, different ways to market it. So not only are you going to get this direct mail program where you can make money in the mail and send out postcards and flyers, we're going to teach you online strategies as well. Okay. So, choose your earning potential. So what I'm showing you is this website that if you join me at the $1,000 level or higher, this will all be yours. Okay. So choose your earning potential, get connected, mail the postcard, right? So get the referral ID. So click over here and then you'll see that there's my referral ID. So if somebody goes and calls this number, they just give them this ID 0146. That is me. So actually, I'm glad I did this video because I'm actually going to put the phone number here as well because I don't want people to have to go back and forth. But when you make your card, it doesn't matter. We'll just link it to your card. But I'm glad I did that because so sometimes you have to kind of go through your videos to see how I can, make this better. How can I tweak it? Okay. So this is not well, yeah. Oops, that's FaceTime. Okay. So yeah, if you're on a computer and you click this to call, it'll call directly from your computer if it has that capability. Or if you're looking on your mobile phone, they click to call, it'll just make the call. All right. So here's the different levels. Now let's go over it. There's the $100 position. I believe that is the featherweight. Then there is the $300 position. I believe that is the welterweight, middleweight, cruiserweight, heavyweight, whatever the case may be. It doesn't matter. Okay, so there's $100. I wanted to try to remember the terms because I'm being a boxing fan, but I'm probably missing one. But anyways, there's $100 level, 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. Okay, no matter what level you come in at, you are going to make 50% commissions. All right. So this is the cool thing. This is what I really love about the program, aside from the closers. Let's say that you came in at the $300 level, right? Somebody that you send a postcard to, they call, they get on the phone with somebody, and they're like, you know what? I want to come in at the $1,000 level. Well, in some programs out there, you actually miss the whole commission because they'll say that you're not positioned correctly. It's like, well, you were only at the $300 level. They came in at the 1,000. So because you weren't at the 1,000, you don't get anything. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Ontarian has taken care of that problem. So what he will do is if somebody comes in at the $1,000 level, you're still going to get your commission. You're going to get your $150 because that's the level you're at. And then the rest will just roll up. So you get what you qualify for. It's not like you miss out on the whole commission. That's what I love about it, because as you make those commissions, you could eventually roll them into a bigger position until you get all the way up to the heavyweight, which is the $4,000 package. Okay, so with every package, you're going to get a book of stamps, or you'll get more books of stamps. It just all depends what level you come in at, right? Because so when you send out those postcards, these are postcard stamps. These are not envelope stamps. So I think they're a little less in value because a postcard, I think it only takes 35 cents to send a postcard. But whatever the case may be, when you get your welcome package from Ontarian, you're going to get some information about the company. You're going to get a gift card to like a restaurant. You're going to get some stamps. You're going to get a pen. I did a previous video. So if you go look at that previous video and Passive Profits, like welcome package or welcome kit, you'll see everything that comes in there. But the purpose of this video is to show you this website. So this website does all the selling for you. Okay, here it is. This is the video. So if you go on my YouTube channel, subscribe, and you can watch this video. All right. Now there's a picture of me. There's some information. This is a Google Voice number. I would not recommend giving your personal phone number out because you never know who can call you. If you don't mind, then go ahead. But you don't want people calling you in the middle of the night. So this is a Google Voice number, or they can email me. They can connect with me on Facebook. I used to have a Skype link, but I guess nobody uses Skype anymore. I guess I'm the only one left that uses Skype. It's almost like some people that I know that still use America Online. It's like, oh, wow. It's like, when I see somebody that still uses America Online, and no offense, please do not join my team because I'm making fun of America Online. My mom uses America Online, a couple of my friends, but I give one friend a really hard time. It's like, remember those jackets when we were little? It said members only. I used to wear that. Yeah, I had that jacket so long, I think I was actually the last member. So that's how I feel about AOL sometimes. But anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much how this program works and everything. So like I said, you come in at the $1,000 level, you don't pay for any of this. And like I said, this will all go to an autoresponder, which is powered by Amazon Web Services. So it has really good deliverability. And when somebody opts in, it'll automatically send them out emails every few days to follow up with them. Because if they haven't bought yet, it gives them a chance to still make that purchase. Because we have to remember, not everybody is in the right position or the right place. They might be busy, but they'll forget about it. But if those emails are coming in every few days, it'll keep us at the top of their memory. So they might take a look at it later. Sometimes timing is not right. Maybe they don't have the money now, but as long as they save that email, they can go back and revisit it later. That's why email follow-up is so important. That's why, like, for instance, on my postcards, I actually want to get them back to my YouTube channel or a website or something. Because remember, a postcard, if you don't put any information on there but a phone number, that's the only point of contact you have. That's the only time you can reach them. But if you put your YouTube channel on there, or this capture page and website, because some of you guys don't want to do videos, and that's fine. I didn't want to do videos for a long time. But at least put this website. When I give you this website, if you come in at the $1,000 level or higher, you could put that website domain in your postcard. So maybe they can go to the website, put in their name and their email address, and now you got them. Now you can message them every so many days, right? And it'll give you a chance to get to know them better. So I'll have another video eventually, or if you join the program, I'm going to have a video on how to utilize your email autoresponder. On top of the 10 emails we give you, I'm going to show you how to reach out to them, how to maybe connect with them on Facebook, how to bring them into your circle. Because remember, it's all about like, know, and trust. If they like you, they know you, they trust you, they're probably going to do business with you. But if you're just a person that's on a postcard, sometimes that's not good enough, right? So I'm going to teach you some extra tricks on how to do all this. So like, you join my team, I guarantee that you're going to learn more than you've ever learned. I've been an internet marketer full-time almost 5 years. I have a wealth of information. Just go through my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click like on this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked about it. I'm going to be teaching a lot of things, and I want you to be a part of my team so you can learn all this. The thousands and thousands, and literally thousands and thousands of dollars that I spent on coaching over the last several years, I'm going to be giving a lot of that information to you guys for free. So it's going to save you a lot of money there. All you need is a product to promote. This is a great product to promote. Passive Profits Postcard Program, the 4 Ps, okay? We just call it Passive Profits. But yeah, that is it for me. This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Like I said, like, comment, share, like my video, subscribe to my channel, please. That'll help my metrics out a lot. And this is the bonus. If you come in at a lower level, don't worry about it. You'll still get some sort of bonus. You won't get the website. Well, you can still buy the website. I should take that back. If you still want the website and you want to come in at a lower level, we'll work something out. So don't worry about it. All I'm saying is if you come in at the 1,000 position or higher, you will get the website for a full year, no cost, right? And even after that, the hosting is really cheap. So even after the first year, it's going to be like $97 for the whole year. Right. So at that point, you're going to be making so much money with this program, it won't matter. So like I said, I'm trying to keep this affordable. I'm not trying to keep it one of those programs that's charging $40, $50 a month. That's not fun. $97 a year, that's something that's manageable. But like I said, come at the $1,000 level or higher, it's all taken care of for you for a full year. All right. Anyways, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Thank you very much and take care. And I hope to see you on the team soon.